Alright, introducing our next compadre who will make this game complete. Of course, the person is like, this me, this is him, this is us. What is that? Pare! Namiss ko kayo, pare! Tagalog! Spoken Tagalog! Tagalog! What
Tagalog is not allowed here.
Not listening.
You're not listener.
Wait! Lean forward!
That's your punishment.
Lean!
What's this?
Ben.
Beautiful ass.
Beautiful ass.
You see in Tagalog.
There's
One more.
Soldiers, punish him! Introduction! Punish!
Punish first.
Punish.
Punishment.